This is the Kendall Recon Center located in Nampa, Idaho. We take old cars and bring them back to life. One of the dealers I did work at, they would like to sell cars before they got inspected, and then they'd come back with problems. The one thing I do like about the Kendall facility is it's dedicated to used cars. So you're not going back and forth between customer cars and used cars, so you can pay more attention to getting a good quality product out. Been a car guy since I was a little kid, playing with Hot Wheels.
I've been into cars since I was a little kid, man, just tinkering with them, doing things, making them look good. We have a pretty good setup. It's really nice. You have an issue with the car that we sell you, we fix it. We get a lot of cars in that need a lot of work. Body damage, mismatched wheels, tires. I mean, when we get done with the car, it's got all four of the same wheels, tires, body straight, clean, looks good.
Well, as I see here, they're brought in the condition that they were traded in as, and I'm able to see them getting worked on by these fabulous technicians. And then I see them go over to detail, and those wonderful detailers clean them up really nice. I've seen the beginning and the end product. I've always been interested in cars. I was always interested in the classics when I was younger, older trucks and cars.
Kendall is definitely more of a family type vibe. You feel like a member of a team and not just a number here. Well, buying a car from Kendall, you know you're going to get a car that's been through a comprehensive 160-point inspection by factory trained technicians. Kendall Auto Protection lets customers buy their next vehicle with peace of mind, knowing it's passed through a thorough multi-point safety and mechanical inspection. 3-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it or something else comes up, we'll take it back. We have the Ford CPO program, GM and Kia all in this facility, and you're not going to get that at a normal used car lot.
The thing I enjoy most about working at Recon has to be the people. I've met a lot of people here, great people. What does it mean to deliver? It means everything, you know. I know that the customer is going to be happy. We just put a lot of love into every vehicle that goes out this door.
Kendall, let's start something great.